Hello family, welcome to Speak With Me. Today we are going to learn adjectives in English grammar. If you have any confusion about this topic, don't worry. After this video, everything will be clear. So make sure you watch till the end. Now let's understand what an adjective is. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. It tells us more about a person, place, or thing. For example, a beautiful girl, a big house, a happy child. Here, beautiful, big, and happy are adjectives. Now let's discuss the types of adjectives. There are 5 main types of adjectives. We will look at them one by one, so stay focused. First, descriptive adjectives. These describe the quality of a noun. For example, a smart boy. Next, quantity adjectives. These tell us how much. For example, some water. Now, number adjectives. These tell us how many. For example, 2 apples. Next, demonstrative adjectives. These point to something. For example, this book. Finally, possessive adjectives. These show ownership. For example, my pen. So, I hope you have a clear understanding of adjectives now. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Speak With Me for more English lessons. Your support is my motivation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.